So I was asked how to be a field welding installer. So to be a field welding installer, there's only a few things that actually you need to have so that way you can go in the field and do some installation. One, I would say you need to have your certs. Your certs need to be in 3G or 4G or 6G and stick welding to cover, it all. And you need to have your OSHA 10. Your OSHA 10 is going to mean that you are safety orientated, you are a competent person, you're going to work safe, you are familiar with the job site. And you need to be familiar with, running the equipment, using the scat track, using the genie lift or the scissor lift, because the majority of the time those will be the three things that you will use a lot, when you're doing installing. Sometimes you might have a crane. It depends on how big it is or what it is you're installing, but majority of the time it'll just be a sky track, genie lift, or a scissor lift that you'll be using in or outside the building. So those are only a few things you need to get started. And actually with those things you can open up many doors, because a lot of independent contractors, a lot of fabrication shops, a lot of steel erection shops will hire you or contract you, or whatever, if you have those in hand and you got experience in it. So if you want to be a field welding installer, those are the only things you need to get started. Hold on.